Okay, Fiat Ducato clutch bleeding procedure. This is going to be really quick and easy. Just make sure you watch the whole video so that you get the quick version. You need to watch the second part of the video as well to see how to do this quickly, not just how to do it at all. Okay, all we ask is that you click a like on this video so that we can rank a little bit higher in the search to help save more people more time. Okay, but here we go. You may have noticed this is what your clutch slave cylinder looks like, and the bleeder nipple here just has this little rubber cap over it. The reason that's all it has is because fluid cannot flow through that bleeder nipple, okay, until we do this little clip here. We need to just pull it back so that the pipe that fits into here we can pull back slightly. Okay, we aren't pulling it all the way out. Okay, when you pull it back, you'll notice that it naturally pulls to a spot where it's not very far out, but just slightly pulled back. Okay, once you do that, the system will still be sealed, okay, but it will open up the passageway to this bleeder and allow fluid to flow. Okay, but don't turn off yet, because I'm going to show you how to do this real quick with a procedure called reverse bleeding. Okay, so all we need in order to do this is a bottle, something like this. It's got a pressure pump on the top. You can fill it up with fluid, and it has a hose on it. Okay, so that hose will fit onto the bleeder nipple of the slave cylinder. All we need to do then is to lower the level in our reservoir slightly to make some room for fluid to come up. Okay, in this case it's the brake fluid reservoir. So we're just going to lower that level down a bit, and then we're going to put this onto our bleeder nipple. We're going to have brake fluid in our bottle, and we are simply going to pump backwards through the system. Okay, that way we are pushing all the air to the highest point, which is of course the reservoir. Okay, so on this job I had done a slave cylinder and a master cylinder. The system was completely empty, and it took all of 2 minutes to bleed, okay, using this technique. So just on the bottle, make sure that you are using a clean bottle or a bottle that is only used for brake fluid. Don't use something that is used for oil or has any traces of oil in it. Because oil will of course ruin the rubber seals in your master cylinder and slave cylinder, and in this case you are pumping fluid back into the brake master cylinder reservoir, which could cause massive brake failure, okay, and we don't want that, so make sure your bottle is clean. Okay, so remember to click that like to help us rank a bit higher and help more people out, and click that subscribe if you're logged in as well, so that you can get more great tips from real mechanics.